Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download Splunk Enterprise version and the Splunk forwarder, and then we will see how we can install the Splunk Enterprise as well as the Splunk forwarder. After that we will configure Splunk Enterprise and forwarder so that any event happened in the forwarder or forwarder device could forward the data and the log to the enterprise or the indexer. We first download the Splunk. So to download the Splunk, just write splunk splunk.com in your browser, and then it will bring you the splunk.com page. So when you come this page, so look at here is the trial and the download. So click on the trial and the downloads, and if you already have account, so you can log in there. If not, so go to the trial and download. So you can see here the Splunk Enterprise and Splunk Universal Forwarder. So we will download Splunk Enterprise and also Universal Forward, and then later we will see how can we install the Splunk Enterprise and also Splunk Forwarder, and then how we install the Enterprise in one Windows computer and the forwarder in another Windows computer, and then how we connect the forwarder and the enterprise so that the forwarder can send the data to the enterprise. So now if you click on the Splunk Enterprise, so it will bring you this page so that you need to create an account. So this account is free. So when you create a free account, and then the create your account, so click this account, it will create your account. Otherwise, if you already have an account, so just go to the login, and then when you log in, so it will give you options to download the Splunk. So you can download Splunk as well as Splunk forwarder. So I downloaded the Splunk Enterprise. So let's install the Splunk Enterprise. So if you double click the downloaded MSI file, so it will bring you the Splunk Enterprise wizard. Then you need to select the checkbox, so accept the license agreement, and then select the customize option. Then go to the next, and then here select the local system. So we are not using the domain account here, so we are not configuring any Microsoft Active Directory. Then go for the next, and here give your admin credentials, so admin username, password, and confirm password. Then go for the next, again install, so it will install the enterprise. It might take few more minutes. Now launch, that means that click on the finish, so it will launch you the enterprise version. So your installation is done. So now log in to the enterprise, Splunk Enterprise, using your username and password. So it's bring you the enterprise version main window. So this is the main window of Splunk Enterprise. Now go to the settings, then go forwarding and receiving, then go to the config receiving, and give here the new receiving port, so which is the default is 9997. We need this because we are using this to receive data from forwarder. So when we will done installing the forwarder. Now let's install the forwarder. So again, when you double click the forwarder, it will bring you this page and the checkbox. Select the checkbox, then the custom installation, then the next. Now again the next, then select the local system, then go for next, because we are not using the domain account or virtual account here. Then select all of this, so Windows all the events, so all the events in the forwarder, so that we can collect them in the enterprise. So the next, then your username, so which is admin. Then next, now here give the IP address of the indexer or the enterprise, the one who receive all the events from the forwarders, from all the forwarders. Next, install. So we are done installing the forwarder. Now finish. One more thing we need to set up in the enterprise is go to the settings, and in the setting, forwarding, again forwarding and receiving, and then go to the configure receiving, and then new receiving port, then which is the 9997. Save. Now go your firewall, Windows firewall of this machine, and create, or go to the advanced setting and create a new rules. So inbound rules, then new rule, then based on the port. Next, so use the port we used before, 9997. Next, then next, again next. Now give the name of your rule something understandable like Splunk forwarder. Finish. Now go the settings again, so go to the server and restart the Splunk. So login, enterprise. So now again come back to the enterprise, go to the search and reporting. Now search as index equals to star, and then you will see the, if all the connections, everything is fine, so your indexer or the enterprise Splunk is receiving all the events from all other computers that install the forwarder. Thank you everyone.